Hey everybody, and thank you so much for tuning in with me, Letitia McKinney, and welcome to Designing with Letitia McKinney. So friends, if this is your first time here, we would so love to have you. Our mission at Designing with Letitia McKinney is to inspire our audience with unique and signature designs to create unforgettable memories. So if you like what you see, we would love for you to subscribe and click that notification bell so every time we upload, you will be the first to know. Now what we are doing here, we're going to cut the sequin off of this pillow. Don't worry friends, it's something that I no longer need. I'm not going to use the gold and silver one. I'm going to use the black and silver. And you can see right here where I only cut off the sequin part. Now this does not have to be cut perfectly. Now I'm using a table napkin that I no longer need, and I'm going to hot glue it in the center part of the sequin. And I'm going to show you like right up in here, right up in this area is where you want to place it, at least a half an inch away from the sequin. Now you do want to make sure that your zipper part is completely gone, because if not, it's going to make it bulky. You see that right here on the side. So you want to make sure that that is completely cut off. So this is how much you want to leave in between, like I was saying before. And like I told you before, you want to make sure that you hot glue it onto the sequin. Now I am using this marker right here because I don't want to touch the hot glue, because I don't want to burn myself. And I'm just making sure that it adheres very well. And you're just going to overlap it on top of your napkin that you're using. Now this is what I mentioned earlier. This is so important. It's important that you allow the sequin to overlap onto the napkin, because if you don't, the napkin part is what will be seen in that part I just showed you. So I am just laying it down flat to make sure that it is not bulky on any of the sides. So now that we have everything the way we want it, I am deciding which brooch I am going to use. I know I do not want to go with silver. Now if you use a Dollar Tree napkin ring, it is not going to fit at all. So I'm going to pinch it right here, and I'm going to try some ideas out. Now this is a lovely band. I like this. However, I'm looking for something that really makes a bold statement. And of course, this one does. You guys know I love this brooch. Against this rose gold and black and silver, it is so beautiful. So you guys, I thank you so much for designing with me, Letitia McKinney. You guys have a beautiful and blessed week. Happy holidays to you all. And guess what? I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye-bye.